Hello, I'm Steve Eager. First tonight at 5:30, a state appellate court justice will decide next week whether to reassign the case of a fired Fort Worth police officer charged with murder. Aaron Dean shot and killed Atatiana Jefferson in October of 2019. His defense attorneys claim the judge presiding over the murder trial is biased against them. The judge refused to recuse himself. Fox 4's Dion Anglin tells us what this latest development means for a case that has already faced several delays.
On June 23rd, a presiding judge in Tarrant County will hear the matter brought by Aaron Dean. The former officer and his defense team want Judge David Hagerman removed from the case. In their motion, they've stated Judge Hagerman should recuse himself or be recused from any further proceedings in this case because he has manifested an attitude towards defense counsel that clearly shows that he is not a fair and impartial jurist in this case. Dean is charged with murder for the shooting death of Atatiana Jefferson. His defense counsel has sought and had numerous continuances granted, delaying the trial. This motion for recusal follows the judge's action after yet another request for a further continuance.
I would say this is not a common motion that is filed.
Attorney Anthony Farmer is not associated with the Dean case, but gives his perspective of this latest development.
You said it seems by this motion that they're aiming for or shooting for a cumulative look at the developments thus far?
Sure. Based upon the motion that I reviewed, it seems that the defense is kind of angling towards a cumulative effect of multiple things that the judge has done, multiple rulings, the judge's demeanor and temperament to establish that he cannot be impartial in this case. They're basically saying, based on the totality of the circumstances, here's why we believe this judge is biased.
Dean's attorneys allege Judge Hagerman has ignored local rules that govern conflicts in court dates and attorneys' vacation schedules, and that he failed to enforce his own gag order, referring to attorney Lee Merritt, who represents Jefferson's siblings in a civil matter, for doing an interview. The attorneys also allege expert witnesses are unavailable for the currently set trial date. Farmer points out the filing of the recusal motion in and of itself puts the case on hold.
Once a motion to recuse is filed, it automatically stays the proceeding. So no other action can be taken by the trial court judge. That motion is then referred to the administrative judge. The administrative judge can rule on it, have a hearing, or what's commonly happened is the administrative judge will refer it to another judge to have a hearing on the motion.
Now, there are several steps that must precede the June 23rd recusal hearing. Aaron Dean's defense team has already filed its witness list for the hearing. The state must file its witness list and a response by noon tomorrow.